I just told him to stay off my land. That's my private property, and he's on there. He just went down there to check out what I've been doing. I'm hauling firewood, and he's going down my private property I clearly told him to stay off of. He doesn't live in this area. He has no need to go down there. Now he's recording my property right now. He's recording right now on my land. I'm on my property. This is my easement through my wooded lot. And he's going up and down checking out what I've done because I just unloaded some wood there. He's got a camouflaged bike, which means he's up to no good. And he was going to try to sneak up on there. He didn't know I was right there. He's all dark colored and green and camouflaged. Now he's going to come up in my face. I told you that's my property. That there is an easement through my wooded lot. You don't live in this town. You don't live in this area. You don't live in this area. You have no right to be on my wooded property, okay? You don't live in this town. I've given you clear, on video now, you have evidence and I have evidence. I've told you clearly, stay off my land, all right? There's his face, YouTube. Everybody that wants to see him, there's his face. The psycho, that's Peeping Kenny Boy, the psycho that attacks and harasses me day after day. Camouflage bike. He was going to go out with dark camouflage clothes, and he went out on my lot after I told him to stay off. Stay off my property. You don't live here. You have no right to this property. You have no right to go down that road. You're not even from this area. Off my property. Why are you recording my license? Why are you recording my plate? Stay off my property. Stay off my land. Now I'm going to carry on with my job on my own road. I want you off my land. I know you have a voice because you've talked to me, freak. I want you off my property. You know that's mine, it's on paper. He runs straight through here. I don't know how well you can see it. He runs straight through here as far as he can, and far up in my land as he can, anywhere he can. It is just ridiculous. There's no need for that stuff. Just pure harassment. You can see as I walk through, see I gotta pick up, somebody threw a bottle on my land, and you can see he's got a path here where he runs. Right there, it's very distinct. Oh yeah, that shows. He runs through here, all up along the edge of my property as much as he can, as often as he can. Look at that. Yeah, look at that. He rides right up deep in there. Look at that.